What if your drone could deliver centimeter-level accuracy and shoot cinematic 6K video at the same time? Today on Caring Guy, we're reviewing the powerful Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro RTK V3 drone, built for professionals who demand precision and performance. Inside the box, you get EVO 2 Pro RTK V3 drone, Smart Controller V3, battery and charger, propellers and accessories. This is clearly designed for serious work, not just casual flying. First impression, solid, premium, and professional. Rugged build quality, foldable yet durable design, 7.9-inch smart controller. This drone is made for field operations, inspections, and mapping. Now here's the game changer. RTK, real-time kinematic positioning, centimeter-level accuracy, no need for ground control points. This means highly accurate mapping, precise survey data, reliable positioning even in complex environments. Perfect for professionals who need absolute accuracy. Let's talk about the camera. 1-inch Sony Sensor, 6K video at 30 FPS, HDR imaging, and Moonlight algorithm 2.0 for low light performance. This gives you stunning detail, better dynamic range, and clean night footage. This isn't just a drone, it's a flying cinema camera. This drone is packed with intelligent features, AI target recognition, automated mission planning, advanced mapping support. Whether you're tracking objects or scanning terrain, it does the work for you. Safety is notch top here. 360-degree obstacle avoidance and multi-directional sensors. You can fly confidently even in complex environments. With Autel SkyLink 2.0, you get stable long-range transmission, real-time HD video feed, and low-latency control. Smooth flying experience even at long distances. This drone is built for endurance, up to 38 minutes flight time, stable in wind conditions, and efficient power management. More time in the air means more productivity. This drone is perfect for infrastructure inspection, surveying and mapping, law enforcement and rescue, and professional cinematography. Pros: RTK centimeter-level precision, powerful 6K camera, advanced AI features, long flight time, professional-grade build. Cons: expensive, pro-level pricing, overkill for beginners, and requires learning curve. So, is it worth it? If you're a professional surveyor, filmmaker, or enterprise user, this drone is an absolute beast. But for beginners, it might be too much. So, what do you think? Would you use a precision drone like this for your work? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Caring Guy for more next-level tech reviews.